Hi everyone, this is Marcus here, and I'm back again with the O1B Artist Visa Extraordinary Ability series. Today we're going to be talking about visa consultation letters. In the previous video, we actually did something about the petitioner, so if you're interested in finding more about that, please check out that video. But today our focus will be mostly on the consultation letters. So, what's a consultation letter? Every single application for the O1B that you send to immigration requires a consultation letter from a union or a peer group in your field. If you work in the television and motion picture industry, you are required to provide 2 letters, and if you're just like a general arts practitioner, you just need 1 letter. So, all you have to do is before you submit the application to immigration, you send a copy to whatever relevant union you may be working with, pay whatever the union consultation letter fee is. It can range anywhere between $200 to $500 depending on the union, as well as submit whatever documentation that they may need. Every single union is very different in terms of the way they work, in terms of the documentation that they require, so you need to go to the website and check out what exactly they want. If not, they're going to deny your application or just send the whole thing back, and then you're going to have to start from scratch. It can take anywhere between 2 days or up to 4 weeks for them to get back to you. So I would strongly suggest, if you want to get this done and done on time, you want to make sure you leave enough time in the application. Like, don't do it the day before you're going to send it to immigration, because they're not going to go back to you. So which union applies to you? It really depends on your field. For example, if you are a film actor, so you would probably go for SAG, and because you're a film, you need 2, so you got to go for a management organization, and that's probably going to be AMPTP. If you are a musician, so you would go for the American Federation of Musicians, or if you are an equity actor, you would go through Actors Equity. You don't actually need to be part of the union in order to apply for this letter. All you need to do is go to the website, figure out what the requirements are, send them a copy of your O1B application. Usually that includes like the form I-129, a bunch of like letters of recommendation, and your portfolio, as well as the filing fee, and send it to them. Some of them actually do accept like an expedited kind of processing, so that means if you're really pressed for time and you can, spend the cash, usually if you spend like maybe $200 more, you might be able to get it a little bit faster. So it really depends on your situation. So in terms of consultation letters, one important thing that you need to know is that if you get a bad consultation letter, this means that if they write a letter saying that you really don't deserve the visa, it can have a really strong impact on your final immigration application. So immigration says that these consultation letters are not binding. This means that just because you get a bad letter, it doesn't mean that you're automatically going to be denied. However, it does mean that it's going to make things a lot more difficult for you, because when immigration sees these like really negative consultation letters, they tend to issue a request for evidence to ask you for more information in order to justify why you are basically more extraordinary than usual. So I would strongly suggest for you to reach out to like an immigration attorney when you're working on your visa application, to find out like, well, which unions are better for you. Sometimes you do have a choice in terms of which union to pick, and also like how to navigate around it if you do get a bad consultation letter. So yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to visa consultation letters, and I hope that you will join us for the next video in our series.